Colleges and universities need great software, but it's not uncommon for schools to buy a bunch of stuff. Schools often buy and maintain separate software for student information system, learning management system, transcript generation, degree audit, student billing, financial aid, admissions CRM, library, donations, online bookstore, and more. That's core, need to have stuff for running your whole college. You can buy these systems separately and manage implementation and staff training for each new tool you add, and build and maintain custom integrations with your existing systems, and keep track of billing and contract renewal schedules with multiple vendors. Or just buy one thing. Populi provides everything you need: SIS, LMS, admissions CRM, finance package, and more, all in one bundle, so your whole school can stay connected all the time. Just buy one thing. Find out more, go to populi.co and click Get a Demo.